Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to join the official ASTDX Discord server. So step 1, open your browser and go to astdx.gg or you can search ASTDX Discord server. You should always use the official links or trusted community sources like Roblox or Twitter. Step 2, click on the Discord link and then if you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in. If you are logged in, we will proceed to step 3, which is to click the accept invite to join the ASTDX server. And once you click that one, you can check your Discord. And now you are inside the server. You can read the welcome messages and complete any verification process. Because some servers ask you to react to a message or pass a CAPTCHA. Step 5, you can navigate through the server channels because you will find here the game updates, codes, trading, showcase, videos, and support threads. Step 6. Follow their server rules to avoid being muted or banned. No spamming, scamming, or inappropriate content. And now you are officially part of the ASTDX Discord community. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.